What's up, everybody? This is Eric the Tech Preacher. So I work on my YouTube channel every day, almost every day, for countless of hours at a time. And sitting down sometimes have me feeling fatigued. Well, I got the FLEXISPOT standing desk in black, and it's amazing. And it helped me with my workflow to keep me energized. But when I saw the bamboo color, I had to have one, right? So let me give you my thoughts about the FLEXISPOT bamboo color, the EB8 standing desk. So sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So I'm excited because standing desk brings in a lot of features that I need as a content creator that films almost every day. So listen, before I give you my thoughts about the new FLEXISPOT bamboo colored desk that I have in my studio, let me talk about what comes in the box, and let me let y'all guys see some of the assembly that I did with this desk. So opening up the box, it comes with the tabletop, the lifting columns, the feet, the power plugs, all the nuts and bolts and clamps that you need to put this together. So putting this together takes about 15 to 20 minutes. Don't have no problems with it. So I really do like that it's really easy to put together and it takes no time. So let me talk about the purpose of this desk. This desk gives you the complete solution for work at home, right? For being on the computer for a long period of time, me doing my content creation and my YouTube videos, sometimes my body get fatigued sitting down for a long period of time. Well, standing desk helps energize the body by standing up, getting focused on the job at hand to get all the work done. So let's talk about the specs. The FLEXISPOT standing desk has a minimum height of 28.3 inches, a maximum height of 47.6 inches with a maximum weight capacity of 110 pounds. The desktop size is 43 inches in width, 23 inches in depth. Now, as far as the assembly was quick and easy. It comes with all the paperwork and everything else in between. Now, as far as the price, this desk right here will set you back $499. I will leave all the links down in the description below. So let's talk about the integrated control panel. It's an LED display that allows you to see all the desk information. Next, you have the up and down button that you can adjust the height and stuff like that. Next, you have 4 programmable buttons that's easy to set your height in multiple positions, which is really nice. Next, you have 3 USB charging ports, 2 USB-A and 1 USB Type-C port. And lastly, there's a child lock button so you can lock the control panel. So one of the biggest reasons why I got another standing desk, because it's ultra premium, the quality is outstanding, FLEXISPOT pay a lot of attention to details, and plus I'm absolutely loving this bamboo color. The surface is high quality, it has a smooth texture, and it feels good. Look, it has a nice drawer that you could put all your documents. I put phones and tablets and stuff like that. I can say having a few of these FLEXISPOT desks over the period of time, it holds up very good. Now, my black standing desk is still looking brand new after 5 months of use. So that is a very good look. And I'm very confident that this desk right here will hold up very good for years. So if you want a beautiful premium standing desk, FLEXISPOT is the company that I will recommend. I really do love their desk. It's ultra premium. The buttons just feels good. The charges works very well, and it is nice length and it works great for me. Look, I will leave all product links down in the description below if you want to pick this desk up. This is Eric the Tech Preacher from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the FLEXISPOT standing desk in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace.